Hey guys, it's Sarah from Snacks and Crafts, and this is another episode of Appa, Appa's Adventures. We are fooling around in the yard looking for a bird. She hears a bird, she sees the bird. Can't get the bird. What you doing? I don't want to move the camera around too much, but I am holding it. I'm not trying to make people dizzy. Appa! Appa! Sit! Appa, sit! We didn't realize until after we named her that that's a word. When naming your dog, definitely shout their name and all the commands that you plan on using. We only ever did Appa, no. I was like, yeah, that sounds normal. But like, Appa, stop. That's fine. Appa, sit. Anyway, isn't she cute? My perfect chocolate puppy. Probably gonna go inside in a little bit. We've been out here a while. Ready to go? Hey. Say hello. Come here. Appa, come here. Please let me know if you'd like to see more videos of Appa. No, you can't come in my chair. She likes to lick the sweat off my drink. And we'll film more videos because she's so cute. I'm gonna document her growing up. Sit, baby. Oh, she's eating the grass now. Time to go. Thanks for watching.